Till now, we have looked at single neuron, but when we have multiple neurons connected in some fashion, we call this structure as neural network. So we can say that a neural network is an interconnected network of neurons. A simple network might look like this. Each small circle represents a neuron, and the lines connecting these neurons represent the connection between different neurons. Each connection has some weight shown on the respective connecting line. Now we will look at various components of this neural network. Neurons are the primary building blocks of any neural networks. Neurons can be of different types. First is the input neurons. Here in this neural network, I1 and I2 represents input neurons. Primary job of these type of neurons are to provide input signals to the network. Normally there would not be any processing happening in these input neurons. Processing means various functions such as summation and activation. So there will not be any processing unit inside the input neurons. They will just pass the input signals to the network. Next type of neuron is output neuron. In this neural network, O1 and O2 represents the output neuron. Because these neurons will provide the final output of the neural network, there are processing units inside these neurons. Means there will be summation as well as activation function inside these neurons. Hidden neurons are also used many a times inside a neural network. H1 and H2 are the hidden neurons in this neural network. These hidden neurons are used to converge the solution, means in absence of these neurons, neural network might not get the desired result. So these type of neurons play a huge role in neural networks. Sometimes in a neural network, bias neurons are also used. As the name suggests, these type of neurons are used to provide bias values. Sometimes if you need non-zero results, even if the input is zero, then bias neurons are used. As you can see that there are no incoming connection to the bias neurons. Typically the input value to these bias neurons are fixed. Normally it's 1.